it helps me a lot to understand it better, because previously I've joined or I had a technical training about incident response and planning, but this time you get to know what are the common sense things that you need to implement in your process, not only, as you said, not only on a very technical way, but also a simple way. I mean, simple things that you can use in doing your incident planning, and essentially the entire incident management thing. So I appreciate this because you gave a lot of ideas, you gave a lot of inputs on how to make it better. Probably most of us have been doing, being a SOC person, doing a lot of triaging, monitoring, etc. But this time, what I do appreciate is uh, the sim the simple things that you've shown us about how to do with in a practical manner. It's more of the practical manner, not on a technical side. So that's something that I really appreciate in this training course. And I'm excited to go back to my team by tomorrow and share the course. And I mean, share the insights, not the course rather, but the insights of it. And I'm excited to really somehow implement some of your inputs already. So because currently I'm doing the policy and the guidelines, as well as the incident and breach management policies of the organization. So this is really a very helpful topic to me for this today. Yeah, thank you so much.